Hello everyone! I am here today to bring you a very requested video on how to make one of my tiny hats. So this is my standard micro preemie size. You can get the pattern for this here. This is what the pattern looks like. And for this pattern, you can use either weight 3 or 4 yarn. If you use weight 3 yarn, you want to use a size I hook. And if you use weight 4 yarn, you want to use a size H hook. So I'm going to show you how to make this. I have lots of other hat patterns available, but this is just going to give you an idea of the basic structure, what I mean when I say things like increase, double crochet, slip stitch, and how to count your rounds. So today I am going to be using an I hook. This is a I hook that I had custom made. And then I'm going to be using Snuggly Wuggly, which is Michael's brand yarn, and it's a weight 3. So weight 3, I hook. So we're just going to get started here. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot. So I'm going to do that very basic process. I do have another tutorial on how to do that, if you want to watch that. If not, that's fine. You could also do a magic circle if you wanted to, but this is just how I like to do it. And we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to slip stitch into our first chain here. So we're going to slip in and just pull the yarn through both loops. Now we have our little ring here. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2. 1, 2, and we're going to work into the center of this ring. So we're going to do 12 double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, bring the hook through the very center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that counts as 1. So we're going to keep going around until we have 12. All right, so now I have 12. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to slip stitch into the first of my double crochets. So I'm not going to work into this right here. I'm going to work right here into the top of this first stitch. I'm going to slip stitch in. All right, so that's our first round here. So now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to work 2 double crochets into each stitch around. So we're going to end up with 24 stitches. Now your chain doesn't count as a stitch here, so you're still going to work into this first stitch. So we're going to work 1 double crochet, and then another one right into that same stitch right here. So we're going to do that all the way around. We're going to work 2 double crochets into each stitch around. So we have worked 2 double crochets into each stitch around, and now we're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet of this round. So in we go. And that is round 2 complete. So this is round 1, and this is round 2. Now for the last 4 rows, rows 3, 4, 5, and 6, we're going to just double crochet into each stitch around. So we're going to start each round by chaining 2, 1, 2. And remember, this does not count as a stitch, so you're still going to work into this first stitch here. So you're going to double crochet 1 into each stitch around. So you're just going to keep working 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the end of the round, until you've worked 24, and then you're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round. So you're going to do this for 4 rows, rows 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here I am, just about to finish my last round. And if you aren't sure how many rounds you've worked, sometimes you can definitely lose track, especially if you put a project down and then pick it back up again. You want to turn it inside out, or right side out, and count the number of rounds from this way. So this is our starting point, the circle. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the last round for this size hat. And I worked my last stitch here. So I'm going to slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round. And now that I'm done, I'm going to snip my yarn and I'll weave in the ends. And then once I do that, it'll get turned right side out. I'll pretend I wove those in. And there you have it. Micro Preemie sized beanie. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification on anything. Happy crafting!